In this example, we are going to learn how to use master variables and master globals. Master globals and master variables are things that you can define where they will be automatically inserted into any workflow definition that you create or that you edit. So let's say, for example, every definition you create should have a variable or a global called tenant ID. So what you would do is you would go under utilities and go under master, and let's define a global first. So we're going to define a global called, let's say, client ID. And we're going to say client ID is string and add that. And what we're going to do is we're also going to go to utilities and update. Actually, on the wrong one. Going to go back into definitions, master variables, and we're going to define a variable called, let's say, tenant ID. And we're going to add that. Now that we have defined these, let's go back to our workflow definitions. And we're going to go ahead and create a new definition. We're going to call, let's say, master example. If I open this definition now, and if I look at my variables and globals, you will see that I have a variable automatically defined called tenant ID. If I look at my globals, I have a global called client ID that's automatically defined, where I don't have to define at all for any workflow definition.